Are you looking for a way to easily earn extra income? In this video, we will show you how to create a passive income by sharing your internet connection. Don't miss the opportunity to change your lifestyle and increase your income. Watch the video now and start making money today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. ByteLixir is a website that offers a way for you to earn by sharing your internet bandwidth. To get started with ByteLixir, the first step is to install their software. This software is compatible with Windows operating systems, making it easy for users to set up on their laptops or desktop computers. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can complete it without any hassle. Additionally, ByteLixir also supports Android devices, allowing you to install the app on your smartphone or tablet. This flexibility means you can manage your internet bandwidth sharing from multiple devices, whether you are at home or on the go. ByteLixir is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can take advantage of this innovative solution. Once you've installed the software and completed the initial setup, you can simply let it run in the background. The app is designed to be unobtrusive, so it won't interfere with your daily activities. When there's demand for internet bandwidth in your region, ByteLixir will automatically start sharing your internet connection, providing you with a seamless and efficient way to monetize your unused bandwidth. You'll get paid per gigabyte of bandwidth you share, and the rate will usually depend on your location. The amount you earn can vary significantly based on where you are situated. For instance, urban areas with high demand for internet services might offer higher rates compared to rural areas. It is important to take note that demand for your internet bandwidth will depend on your location and the time. Peak hours, such as evenings and weekends, might see a surge in demand, leading to potentially higher earnings. Conversely, during off-peak hours, the demand might be lower, affecting your earnings. Additionally, the type of internet connection you have, whether it's fiber, DSL, or cable, can also influence the rate you receive. Always monitor the market trends and adjust your sharing settings to maximize your earnings. The other way to earn from ByteLixir is through its referral program. ByteLixir will let you convert your earnings to various crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and USDT. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed the content, please consider giving us a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more people who might benefit from our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have a lot of exciting content planned for the future and we can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for your support and for being a part of our community.